Let's walk through a step-by-step tutorial for North American Security Link. Let's set up a Snap-on technician profile. For the best experience, follow this tutorial on a desktop. You must create a technician profile to access Security Link functions. Go to altusdrive.com and select Create Individual Account. Select Get Started. Fill out your account information, then click Create Account. Check your inbox to verify your email. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Log in with your newly created username and password. Fill in any missing account information, including country and technician phone number. Set a profile access code. Note a 4-digit profile access code is used on some newer vehicle models before gaining certain functions and features. Select Save. Now let's add a tool to your technician profile for ZEUS and VERUS platforms. On your Diagnostic scan tool, select the gear icon. Select Get Connected. Enter technician profile username and password, then click Add Device. You'll see the confirmation screen. Now let's add a tool to your technician profile for all other platforms. On your Diagnostic scan tool, click the gear icon. Select Get Connected. Here you'll find the scan tool serial number, PIN, and code. Leave the screen open and move to a computer. On desktop, in Technician Profile Manager, select Device Management on the left side menu. Click Add Device. Enter your tool's serial number, PIN, and code from the Get Connected screen in all caps with no dashes or spaces. Then click Save. You'll see the confirmation screen once complete. Ford, Hyundai, Kia, and Volvo are included for free through Snap-on Security Link. If you have other OEMs that need to be linked, continue watching for AutoAuth steps. Let's set up an AutoAuth account and add OEMs. For new AutoAuth users, go to AutoAuth.com on a new tab and select Register. Fill out your account information, accept the terms and conditions, and click Sign Up. You'll receive an email to confirm your email address. Click the link in the email to verify. Log in with your username and password. Choose for Service Center and Independent Technicians or for Technicians depending on your shop's preference. In this example, we'll select Service Centers and Independent Technicians. Select the plan that best fits your shop's needs. For most users, the standard plan is fine. Fill out personal and shop information as prompted. Once you've selected a region, check boxes for the AutoAuth OEMs you wish to subscribe to. Follow the remaining prompts to complete sign-up. Scroll down, accept the terms and conditions, and select Sign Up. Let's add OEMs to an existing AutoAuth account. Log into AutoAuth.com on a new tab. In the top right corner, click the icon with 2 wrenches. Select Subscriptions. Under Active Manufacturers, verify that the needed AutoAuth OEMs are subscribed. Let's walk through how to add a diagnostic scan tool to AutoAuth. On the left side, select Tools. Then Add Tool. Select the manufacturer dropdown. Select Snap-on. Under the tool model, select All Other Models. The scan tool serial number is located on the back of all scan tools. Note, enter the serial number in all caps with no dashes or spaces. AutoAuth will not verify the correct scan tool serial number. Check the serial number to ensure the proper connection. Select Add Tool. If successful, the device will display under the Tools tab. Your tool is now linked. For the next steps on optional OEMs including Mercedes-Benz US, Mercedes-Benz Canada, FCA North America, Nissan, and Volkswagen Audi Group, please refer to our other videos on linking these to your technician profile.